Welcome to this charming home featuring a cozy fireplace with a brick wall for those chilly evenings. This inviting split-level house boasts a very private backyard. Recent updates include, leaf guard installed in 2002, shower remodel in 2010, HVAC system updated in 2018, new flooring in 2018, laundry remodel and windows update in 2011. Commuters will love the easy access to the Dunloring Metro and I-495 for both regular and hot lanes. There is also an express Metro bus stop to the Pentagon just across the street. George Mason University and Northern Virginia Community College are just minutes away, as are Fairfax Inova Hospital and the Schar Cancer Institute. The neighborhood is close to local parks and trails, including the 40-mile cross-county trail and the Audrey Moore Rec Center. Located just a mile outside the beltway, residents enjoy shopping, dining, and entertainment options at the Mosaic